Let's go about getting the area of this particular shape. You can see that it's made up of a triangle here and a semicircle here. So we need to know how to find the area of a triangle and a circle, and we'll cut that circle's area in half in due course. Okay, so first of all, let's do the triangle. The triangle is probably one of the easier halves to do. You could do the circle first. I'm going to do the triangle first. So for the triangle, remember the area equals base times height divided by 2. You can also do area equals half the base times the height, give you the same answer. Because at some point, you're going to have to divide base times height divided by 2 somewhere along the line. Let's have a look. So do we have, let's just fill in what we do have, So we're going to divide by 2 for sure. Do we have the base? Well, we do have the base here. So this line here, up to here. We're given this information here. This is the radius, so that's a 3, and that's a 3, right? So the whole base is going to be a 6, and the height, okay, we have to work it out. So from here to here, we don't know. That's going to be the height of the triangle. We do know that from here to here, so from here to here is 3. We know the whole length from here to here is 9.5, but if we take away 3, we're left with 6.5 here. So this is going to be 6.5. And we divide 6 times 6.5 divided by 2. So let's actually do that with a calculator. Let's get a calculator up to help us. So we've got 6 times 6.5, okay, and then we divide that by 2, and we get 19.5. Okay, so 19.5. So we know that the triangle is worth that, okay, 19.5. Now we just need the circle. So the circle, area of a circle is pi r squared. So pi has its own value. The radius, in this case, is 3, so that's very handy that it's there for us, squared. So we can use our calculator again to do all of the heavy lifting for us. So we go pi times, because that's what that is, 3, and we square it. So that equals 28.7, right? But because it's half a circle, we have to actually divide whatever answer that is by 2. So what does that become? Let's divide that answer by 2. That gives us 14.137. 14.137. And what we can do, so this is going to be the area of the semicircle. Okay, so area equals 14. 14.137. We need to add those two values together, this one and this one. So the semicircle added to the triangle. So I'm just going to, I've already got the answer in here for the semicircle, and I'm just going to add the triangle, 19.5. And the final answer, therefore, is 33.637. 33.637. But remember, 1 decimal place, so round it to 1 decimal place. That's the cutoff. So the final answer for this whole shape is 33.6 meters squared. Squared because it's area. Complete.